The other team in Group C is Suriname, right?
Yes, sir.
When we look at Suriname now on paper, Suriname looks very good.
I must say, and they held their own against who did they play? Was it Canada?
You feel so?
They did. Canada was us. There's the talent,
A
the
little
skill
bit.
was way ahead. The
Mm,
pedigree, the finishing was clear on Canada, especially the conditioning. Physically, Canada, them fitter than them, man. It's sorry to see, right?
okay.
But they were still very technically adept, for
Yeah,
sure.
they're
You
they're
know,
they're they're a very decent team, and they've definitely improved.
and I think being a maybe a slight Dutch colony, and most of them, a lot of them have them plight in Dutch league,
Mm,
right? I think the total football is there.
yeah.
At least they have a what do you call it now? A style, a
Mm,
national style already ingrained in them,
yeah.
and I think that they play for that.
Okay. They've never been a CONCACAF powerhouse per se, but they've never been really a team that you'd consider
And sleep,
pushovers.
you could have never sleep on them. Never
Yeah,
sleep on
they've never.
Suriname.
Yeah, they've never been a team that you can consider pushovers. So when we look now at their record, of their last 10, they've won 7, drawn 1, I think, and lost 2. Um, one to St. Vincent and the one to Canada. Um, and they drew 2-2 with St. Vincent as well. So those are the 3 games that they've failed to win. Um, when we look at the caliber of opposition that they've played, they beat Bermuda 6-0 in World Cup qualifying. Same 6 for Aruba. So they've been quite generous in their beatings. Uh, yeah. Uh, Cayman Islands only got 3. Um, Nicaragua put up a better fight, but still could not avoid defeat 2-1. Dominica 4-0. And like we said, they lost to St. Vincent and drew with St. Vincent, right?
Right.
Uh, so what this will tell me so now is this is a team that is definitely on the up, but they have not reached there completely yet. They have definitely bullied the other Caribbean small island oppositions, um, and have represented themselves well. I think this would have allowed the team that they're using to gel as well, and they're probably better gel than us. You know what I mean?
For
Because
sure.
yeah, because those new players would have played a lot more games together. Um, let me try to bring up something there. You want to go through the squad?
Well, for Suriname, we have some interesting ballers.
Mm,
We have Mr. Geraldo Becker, does his
yeah,
plight in Bundesliga at seventh
yeah.
place FC Union Berlin.
Okay.
Um, I am not sure if he's a main starter,
Yeah.
but he definitely does his plight
He's
in
playing top
there,
flight football.
football. Then we have
Yeah.
Mr. Florian Joseph Azun. Don't know if that is how it's pronounced. Playing in
Yeah.
Derby County,
That is
who
in Championship or
championship,
League One.
championship,
Okay.
and they
Okay.
in the championship just escaped relegation,
Okay.
right on top.
Anybody else? Anybody else of note?
There's a goalkeeper who plays for Anderlecht, and two
Okay.
defenders. One play for Galatasaray, and the other one plays for Feyenoord. That is
Um,
Richard Haps and Ryan Dunk.
what is the age? What are the ages like on these players?
For the defenders.
Because as we say with Costa Rica, we have an aging team.
Okay, I mean, with all the players we highlighted so far. All right, so with
Yeah.
the UNAM Berlin striker, Mr. Becker, he's 26.
A good age.
Mr. Joseph
I know
Zoon,
Dunk is like
Florian,
35. Yeah.
is 30. Who plays the
Okay.
Derby County there. The Feyenoord defender, Richard Haps, is 28.
Yeah.
These are good ages. 28.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Dunk is pretty old, though, 35. You know.
Yeah.
But as for
Yeah,
defender, and I'd play at Galatasaray, I mean, you must be doing something well. Because this is a
I saw him in the thing there match, right? And I think the age definitely didn't help him.
against Canada.
Yeah.
Like I said though, maybe yes, his age probably is what highlighted what I said earlier, where they could not match Canada physically. That was for sure. Canada was dominating them there. So that you have a good point there.
Yeah, especially the speed on the flanks.
Definitely.
You know what I mean? They definitely struggle with the speed on the flanks with Canada. But I will agree with you. They didn't. They lost badly, but you could have said something there in terms of like the team formation, the players, individual players, touch skills. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, it wasn't Japan under 2024 Jamaica just roll over and give them the match. You know what I mean?
Exactly. That is.
Yeah, they just simply lost to the superior team.
Right.
Going into the group, this is another team that we'll have to take seriously, because if we don't, we could find ourselves exiting early. You understand? So we can't go in there like we have to play our strongest squad, starting 11. I think.
And one more note on age. The goalkeeper is 28, who plays for Anderlecht, Mr. Han.
Yeah, good age.
28, good age, especially for a keeper. That is a
keeper, yeah, man. That's how when you really start learning the thing, right?
Definitely.
So what are your final thoughts on that one, mate?
On Suriname,
Mm.
everything you said earlier, I mean, you would just have to take them seriously. Is a competent side.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say they're a world beater, world beater potential.
Yeah.
But football intelligence is very evident with this team. And
I agree with you 100%.
So that is where we're going to be tested.
Okay.
There. So
yeah.